All right, listen up. So, if you are just starting out in ethical hacking or you are already in the journey of becoming like me, so listen up. This video is for you if you want to know the guideline to follow. And trust me, I'm here to show you what and what to do. So, first of all, I'm going to break it down for you. System administration, computer programming, networking, Linux OS, and pen testing. For now, these are the five basic areas you need to focus on. Now, there is no a fixated advice on starting from anyone. Each person has different strengths and different weaknesses. So you can start with system administration, that's knowing the core concept of how a computer a computer software works, then later forging into the hardware aspects. That's system administration. Computer programming basically is you just knowing how computer applications work. The app you are currently using to watch me is YouTube. So knowing how to write code is a valuable skill in ethical hacking. The next on the list is networking. Networking is another key area which you must not miss out on. Networking basically knowing how to set up a network, how data is being passed from your current computer, from your current device to another device in the network. Knowing how to pass a data and know how data works, how computer network how computer networking works means a lot. The next thing on the list is Linux OS. Now, among all the operating systems out there, Linux basically is the most popular operating systems for hackers. Basically, it's a non-arguably Linux operating system, something that you need to learn. The next on the list is pen testing. Penetration testing basically means trying to get the a vulnerability of a particular software or a digital device. That's when pen testing comes in. But pen testing basically needs to be the later aspect. You can start with system administration or computer programming. And speaking about computer programming, Python, Python, among all the programming languages, Python is a key starter for you if you're just starting out. It's easy to learn, it's beginner friendly. You can start with it. And there are free platforms to learn Python. There is Free Code Camp. I'll be dropping some free online resources for you to start learning. I've done some free online resources down in the description. So you can, among these five areas which I've listed, you can start with system administration, computer programming, that's learning Python, computer networking. And think about computer networking. There are courses on YouTube that do cover up for computer networking. Also, if you happen to be in an environment whereby there are teachers, people who are ready to teach you about computer networking, I think it will be much more helpful than YouTube. That's just if you're opportune to be in such environment. Now, among this list, there is one thing which I would like to add, which is scripting. Basically, scripting has to do with it simply has to do with you writing some certain command lines, but that is still on the later end. So pick anyone from this area, especially the system administration, computer programming, or networking, then move further to the next one. That's how you get to learn. But please, it takes consistency, it takes time, and it takes effort. So the question is, are you ready? Are you ready to come into this journey of being an ethical hacker? Because it takes time. You're definitely going to experience some certain failures along the line, but that's part of the journey for you. You can't expect to become without not failing. So thanks for watching.